We're currently standing in the west wing of the dealership, known as the body shop.
I always joke, I say that we'll fix just about anything. Bruce has never said no to any projects that have ever come through.
We do restoration, customization, we do modifications on chassis and cabs.
Small paint touch-ups, polishing, we'll do custom fabrication. We work on RVs.
We can pretty much do everything at our facility here, from custom modifications to polishing, custom paint jobs, all of your service body work, engine, pretty much everything from A to Z, whatever you'd like, and stop and grab lunch while you're at it.
If you have a rocket ship, you can bring it by and we can put a new paint job on it for sure.
Our paint booth is 125 feet long, so big usually isn't an issue.
Guy comes in with a crane truck and he wants to extend the boom out and have the boom painted. We can do the truck, the rig up, boom, all in one shot in one paint booth, and actually have like good airflow. It's just a higher quality paint job when the paint moves where it's supposed to, right?
We can handle all your repairs, from insurance to RVs to rebuilds to paints. We got techs of all experience levels. We got paint guys that can do it all.
We want to make things as easy as possible for the customer, whether that's getting their unit towed to the facility, making arrangements for them, and then also just taking care of their payment options and communicating with the insurance companies. Whatever we can do to make the lives easier for the customer and make this as a smooth transition as possible for them.
I can't say enough good things about the team that we have here. They definitely put the work in when required, and the work is top notch. So
people should choose Western Star North for a few reasons. The quality and the warranty that backs the quality in this department. The biggest reason would be the ease of doing business.
Well, I'd recommend your very first phone call to be here to Western Star, and then we will do our best to take care of you, get that vehicle off the road and make sure that you're safe and taken care of, and then make it as easy as possible to get you back on the road.